Welcome to Fireside Chat. My name is Sai. If you're new to my channel, I talk about how I budget, save, and invest money to achieve financial independence. During my FIRE journey in the past 5 years, I have been consistently saving and investing into my 401k, Roth IRA, a taxable brokerage account with dividend stocks, and another taxable brokerage account with growth stocks. We're on track to achieve financial independence within the next 3 to 4 years if we consistently save 60% of our gross income. We diversify our investments so we don't put all the eggs in the same basket, and we plan to have multiple passive income streams when we retire early. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how millionaires make money from 7 common income streams, and we're going to reveal what income streams we currently have. The IRS did a study that wealthy people on average have 7 streams of income. The journal was written by Jenny Bourne and Lisa Rosenmerkel, and it's titled Over the Top: How Tax Returns Show That the Very Rich Are Different from You and Me. I will post a PDF in the description below. Another article you should check out is on CNBC Acorns, written by Tom Corley, who is also the author of Rich Habits: The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals. Corley studied 233 millionaires with an average net worth of $4.3 million. 76% of those people were self-made millionaires. He found out that 65% of the self-made millionaires had 3 streams of income, 45% have 4 streams of income, and 29% have 5 streams of income. What's also interesting is that it took these people on average 32 years to become millionaires, and they are ages between 46 to 60. When I was young, I always assumed that you had to be born into a wealthy family to be wealthy. Obviously, I'm saying this because I didn't grow up in a rich family. The truth is, a vast majority of millionaires in America is self-made millionaires. Fidelity Investments also did a research and found that 88% of millionaires are self-made and only 12% inherited their money. Let's go back to the IRS journal about the 7 streams of income wealthy people generally have. The number 1 income stream is your earned income. This is your typical income from your 9-to-5 primary job or self-employment. If this is your only source of income and you feel like you're not making enough money, this is the year to find something new to increase your income. Employers everywhere are dealing with the Great Resignation. Another 4.4 million Americans left their jobs in September, so you should take advantage of this opportunity and to find a job that you're passionate for and get paid more for doing it. The number 2 income stream is the business income. If you have side hustles other than your primary job, this is your extra earned income. For example, if you have a side hustle on Etsy selling t-shirts, the profit you make from selling your shirts is your extra income. So if you spend $15 on the t-shirt and its customization and you sell it for $20, then $5 is your profit. If you sell 100 t-shirts in a month, then you make $500 in profit every month. The number 3 income stream is the interest income. Generally, this is the interest you receive from the bank account savings like CDs, money market account, and personal savings accounts. The APY for my savings accounts have been really low since the Feds lowered the interest rates to 0 in 2020. Another way to earn your interest is to lend your money to a person or a business and charge them a certain interest rate. You could also sell your business to a buyer and allow the buyer to pay you back as a loan with interest. You basically become a bank at that point. The number 4 income stream is the dividend income. The common misconception is that you have to buy individual stocks to receive dividends. You can actually receive dividend payments from index funds, mutual funds, or ETFs. You just have to make sure you're buying a security that pays you dividends. Let's say you own 3 shares of S&P 500 ETF from Vanguard, and that's a total of $1,300. The dividend yield for VOO is 1.23% annually, and they pay out quarterly. So that means you'll get paid about $16 a year or $4 every quarter. Just keep in mind that they will tax you for your dividend income, so when you file your taxes, make sure you get a copy of your 1099 div or DIV from your broker. I did several videos on the dividend stocks. You can check them out in the description below. The number 5 income stream is capital gains. A capital gain is the profit you make when you sell a capital asset like stocks, bonds, mutual fund shares, real estate, coin collections, vehicles, and so many other assets. How you get capital gains profit is super simple. You buy a house for $200,000 and then you later sell it for $300,000, then your capital profit is $100,000. This can also apply to when you sell stocks on the stock market. If you bought a share of Tesla stock at $400 and then you later sell it for $1,200, then your capital gain profit is $800. The number 6 income stream is rental income. Real estate investment is the money that you earn from your tenants after all the real estate costs like mortgage, insurance, management, and maintenance fees. So if you charge your tenant $1,500 a month in rent and your total cost for that property is $1,300 a month, then you make $200 in net profit every single month. The 7th and final income stream millionaires have is from royalties and licensing. This is an interesting one because royalties are usually used to stand for payments made to allow the use of intellectual property like patents, copyrights, or trademarks. So if you're a content creator for books, music, art, or digital images, you could charge people for using your unique creation. So now let's talk about our current income streams. Right now we have 5 out of 7 income streams that I just talked about. We have our earned income, business income, interest, dividends, and capital gains from the stocks that I sold in 2021. The ones I don't have are royalties and real estate. I don't know if I'll ever have royalties, but we'll definitely own rental properties in the future. I currently have 2 streams of earned income from my 2 jobs, and these are my regular 9-to-5 jobs. I also earn income from the side hustle I do with the Las Vegas Raiders because I'm a season ticket holder and I sell my tickets to my friends and families. If no one wants certain tickets, then I put them on Ticketmaster, and I usually make more profit from Ticketmaster, but they do charge me about 15% in commission, so that kind of hurts. My other side hustle is my financial coaching service, and this is my legitimate business that helps clients who need help with budget, debt, savings, and financial education. I just recently launched my website at firesidechat.com, so if you need help with your personal finances, you can schedule a free one-on-one 20-minute financial coaching session by visiting firesidechat.com/coaching. Our interest income is really small. We don't lend our money to anyone, so we just earn interest from our savings and checking accounts and the money market accounts in the stock market. I do receive dividends from the stocks that I invest in. However, I do reinvest those dividends directly into the same stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. I also received capital gains and some losses when I sold stocks in 2021. I sold stocks that I bought in March and April 2020, like Best Buy, Berkshire Hathaway, and Carnival Cruise. For Berkshire Hathaway, I got about 58% gain. Best Buy was 43% gain, and Carnival Cruise was a big loss for me at about negative 45% loss because I bought it back in November 2019. So yeah, that one definitely hurt. However, these gains and losses can offset to reduce my capital gains income tax. So I'm not a tax guy, so make sure you get with a CPA if you have questions about your capital gains and losses. So what is our plan moving forward? If you're a subscriber to my channel, and first of all, thank you so much. And you know our ultimate plan is to achieve financial independence and then retire early. By the time we achieve financial independence, we should have our passive income streams increased to the point where we don't need our earned income anymore. When we hit our FIRE number, which is ideally $2.7 to $2.8 million, then we can make the decision to quit our 9-to-5 jobs. Again, we would like to hit $2.7 million to retire early, but we can achieve financial independence at $1.25 million. On top of consistently saving towards 401k, pension, Roth IRA, and HSA, we're going to continue to work on creating new income streams. Our next big step is to invest in real estate once we have enough cash and cash equivalent on our balance sheet. Ideally, we want to have at least 7 income streams when we retire. Before we quit our normal 9-to-5 jobs, I want to make sure my side hustles make enough income to cover certain expenses. My side hustle with the Las Vegas Raiders will probably remain steady. I think Las Vegas is a very lucrative entertainment market because of all the popular concerts and other sporting events. I think I made a great investment decision to become a season ticket holder at the Allegiant Stadium because now I have the first-hand access to not just the Raiders, but to all the other events. People love to visit Vegas, so I think they will take the opportunity to visit the Raiders Stadium almost every chance they get. My other side hustle is this YouTube channel and the financial coaching session with Fireside Chat. I am looking to grow this channel by adding more high-quality videos and content every week starting in 2022. Even after we retire, I'll continue to keep the Fireside Chat financial coaching business going because I truly love helping people. This is my passion. Financial education helped me get to where I am today, so I want to educate my audience and my clients to help them achieve their financial freedom. I want to help veterans, first responders, students, immigrants, or anyone who needs financial guidance and education. So with that said, I appreciate you watching my video. Don't forget to check out these 2 fire videos and my Instagram page, and I will post a new fire video every Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fire videos.